video is the most powerful business tool we have because it's the closest thing we have to reality. I'm Dave Lasowski. I am the owner and strategist at Foxal Productions. So when I first started and I was working with these bands, I loved being able to capture what was happening in the moment and being able to show that on a massive scale to as many people as possible that weren't there to actually experience what I was seeing and what I was feeling. I noticed a shift when I worked with my first business. In that first sales meeting, he told me every time that a new client comes in, he spends 30 to 45 minutes just explaining the process of what he does to them. We can just capture that once and just create this asset that explains that to them without him needing to be there for them to see it. Realizing how much time that was going to save immediately was like, whoa, this is really, really powerful. The main service that I say Foxal offers our clients is custom video solutions from start to finish. A lot of people will say that they are a full service agency. We are a full circle agency. We're there from the very start to figure out what's going really well and what's not going so hot with your business, prescribing a video asset and a strategy that's going to go with it to best overcome that and get you to where you need to go. And then we're there on your team all the way through implementation to make sure that you're actually getting the results instead of just handing it off and saying, good luck with this. A lot of people tend to think that making video takes a ton of time. And we're here to just smash that to bits because we get in, we get what we need, we get out because we understand that your time is invaluable. We want to keep you doing what you do best. And our goal is to not only save you time, it's to give you your time back. So we'd like to take as much out of your hands as possible and onto our shoulders so that we can go to work putting this to work for you and getting the results that we've talked about. So if you're watching this and you're ready to start growing your business using video and video strategy, I invite you to fill out our discovery form. And if it's a right fit and we feel that we're going to be able to help you achieve your goals using video, we'll get in contact with you to set up a time to talk about creating your custom video strategy.